In the realm of divine inquiry, where wisdom's path guides us to see, I stumbled upon a lecture profound by Neville Goddard, a truth so sound. What does the Lord require, he asked, a question so deep my soul unmasked, for in these words a truth unfurled, a journey within to reshape my world. With eloquence and heartfelt grace, Neville spoke of a secret space, a realm where dreams and desires reside, where faith and belief can turn the tide. He painted pictures with words divine, inviting us to travel through time, to seek the truth in our innermost core, to unlock the secrets we all adore. In stillness and silence we find the key to manifest our reality. But what does it take to truly believe, to let go of doubt and truly receive? I pondered these questions, deep in thought. As Neville's wisdom within me sought, he taught that faith is the bridge we build, between the seen and the unseen, fulfilled. As I listened, my mind began to soar, exploring the depths of this sacred law. What does it take to embody this truth, to live a life of abundance and youth? Is it surrendering to the divine will, or harnessing the power of the mind's skill? Perhaps it's the union of both in one, a dance of surrender where miracles are spun. Oh, how these questions danced in my mind as Neville's words continued to unwind. For he spoke of the power within our grasp, to shape our world, to make our dreams last. Through stories and parables he did share the secrets of creation so rare, he wove a tapestry of truth and light, guiding us towards our own inner sight. So, dear seeker, I urge you to explore this lecture by Neville, a treasure to adore. Let it ignite the fire within your soul and lead you towards your ultimate goal. Subscribe now for more wisdom divine, for Neville's teachings are a sacred sign that within us lies the power to create a life of abundance, love, and fate.